Hey my loves, how's it going? So today I'm going to be making a highly requested video. I have been highly requested to make a updated skincare routine. I mentioned in a past video that my skincare routine has changed a little bit, and a lot of you guys have been asking me and DMing me to make a new skincare routine video, and that's what we're doing today. So we're just gonna jump straight into it. The first thing that I like to do is wash my face, and I wash my face normally with just water. I try to avoid makeup on my face. I try to avoid foundation or powder or anything type of foundation on my face that's not like eyelash, mascara or eyebrows. So I just cleanse my face with water. I like to get some of the mascara off with the water, and then I go in and clear up the skunk eyes with a little bit of coconut oil on a little cotton pad, and I just go around my eyes and get rid of the rest of that. Once I've gotten rid of the skunk eye look, on a weekly basis I would go in with a natural sort of exfoliator or scrub, and I like to use Quick Oats, and I put that all over my face. But here's a quick little disclaimer: it is messy. It's very messy, but it's very good for your skin. It keeps it so hydrated. It makes your skin feel so soft and so supple. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be messy, but you're gonna love it. I like to wash that off, and then after I wash that off, I will apply some fresh aloe gel. I take the aloe gel literally from the aloe leaf. So I've cut up the aloe leaf, and I take some of that gel and spread it all over my face. I let that sit on my face for about 5 minutes. Again, this is these two steps that I just mentioned, the scrub and the aloe, is something that I do weekly, not every day. Everything else I do every day, but these steps I do once a week. I keep on the mask for about 5 minutes. I just go about doing whatever I have to do. Then I come back, rinse that aloe gel off my face with nice cool water, and then I like to follow that up with a serum. There's two serums that I absolutely love so much, and actually this company sent these to me a while ago, and I've been using them ever since. And it's from the company Primarily Pure, and I have the plumping serum and the clarifying serum. I like to switch back and forth between which ones I use, either in the morning or at nighttime. I use both, but sometimes I'll use one at night and the other in the morning, and sometimes I like to use both. It's really however I'm feeling and what scent I prefer, because they smell really good. They have a really nice natural smell, so whichever I'm kind of like feeling at the moment is the one that I would go for. The one that you guys see me applying right now is the clarifying serum. I put that all over my face, just 2 drops. Goes such a long way. Then you can spread it down to your neck. I like to put it under my eyes. I like to put this everywhere, and that's it. That's it. That's all you need. You don't have to rinse it off. You don't have to do anything extra. If you feel like you need a little extra moisture and you're not sensitive to coconut oil, you can put a little bit of coconut oil on your face as a moisturizer. However, my skin is very sensitive, and I break out very easily, so I tend to just keep it to the most basic that I can keep it. Which is another thing why I've been loving these products from Primarily Pure, because it doesn't make me break out. And that's saying a lot, because I break out, like I said, super easy. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for my updated skincare routine. I like to keep it nice and sweet and short for you guys. So yeah, as you guys saw, I like to use very natural, as organic as possible for my skincare, to keep everything nice and well balanced, and you know, not too many chemicals on my skin, because like I said, I have very sensitive skin, and these serums are all organic and natural, so I really love that. So thank you so much, Primarily Pure, for sending over these serums, which I really enjoy and been using them every day. And thank you guys so much for watching and requesting this video, because I had so much fun making it, because I mean, I was just pampering myself. It felt like I was pampering myself. So I will actually leave the link down below to Primarily Pure, so you guys can check out their website and snag yourself some of these serums for yourself. And yeah, so that is that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and love you all.